Here's a summary of Unity Technologies Q3 2025 earnings call, designed for concise and clear delivery. Introduction. Alex Jaimo, Head of Investor Relations. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Unity's third quarter 2025 earnings call. Today, I'm joined by our CEO, Matt Bromberg, and our CFO, Jared Yaws. Please note that today's discussion includes forward-looking statements subject to risks and uncertainties, and we'll also refer to non-GAAP financial measures, with reconciliations available in our press release and SEC filings. CEO remarks. Matt Bromberg. Key highlights. Matt Bromberg opened by stating that Q3 2025 marked a significant inflection point for Unity, demonstrating a clear path to sustainable long-term growth. He highlighted strength across both the Grow and Create segments, with results exceeding guidance and consensus for both revenue and adjusted EBITDA. The Grow segment saw an impressive 11% quarter-over-quarter increase, largely driven by Vector AI. The Create segment subscription software business grew 13% year-over-year, reflecting improvements in product quality and customer engagement. Vision and strategy. Bromberg emphasized that Unity is no longer choosing between execution and vision. He believes gaming will be the next frontier, surpassing traditional entertainment in scale, as consumers increasingly demand interactive experiences and creators seek to maximize engagement. Unity's mission is to democratize access to technology, enabling any software developer, and soon any creator, to build interactive experiences. Advancements in AI, particularly Vector AI, will be crucial in personalizing discovery and user acquisition, making Unity uniquely positioned at the intersection of creation, discovery, and monetization. The focus is shifting from time to market to time to innovation for skilled developers. Product and technology advancements. Unity Vector. Significant progress has been made, delivering stronger returns for customers across various metrics. Ongoing AI model refinement and the integration of differentiated behavioral data from the runtime are expected to drive sustainable revenue growth into 2026. Developer Data Framework. This new system, launched in August, offers dashboards for customers to control data collection and usage. Over 90% of new projects using Unity 6.2 are adopting this framework, enabling better problem diagnosis and experience optimization. Unity IAP. In-app purchases. Unity has expanded into cross-platform commerce, allowing developers to manage their global commerce and catalogs from a single dashboard. This is a significant opportunity, given the over $120 billion spent annually on in-app purchases in mobile gaming, with a majority of that occurring in Unity-powered games. Partnerships with Stripe and Coda, and ongoing discussions with other payment providers, underscore this initiative. Unity Engine. The engine's quality, stability, and performance have steadily improved, with customer-reported issues decreasing by 22% since Unity SIX's launch. Unity 6 has seen over 9.4 million downloads, a 42% increase from the previous quarter. Emerging technologies. Unity is demonstrating day one support for Android XR, collaborating with Google and Samsung to enable quick development and porting of apps to the Android XR ecosystem, anticipating significant growth in AR/VR headset shipments. Lowlights. No explicit lowlights were mentioned in the prepared remarks, with a strong focus on positive momentum and future opportunities. Management's forecasts, as presented by CFO. Q4 2025 guidance. Total revenue, $480 million to $490 million. Adjusted EBITDA, $110 million to $115 million. Grow segment, mid-single-digit sequential revenue growth, driven by Vector and its integration into other Grow products. Create segment, steady revenue growth, with high single-digit year-over-year growth excluding non-strategic revenue, powered by subscriptions. Adjusted EBITDA margins, expected to remain stable, with known expenses like the Unite conference and Salesforce accelerators. CFO remarks. Jared Yaws. Key financial metrics. Q3 2025 revenue. Total. Exceeded guidance and consensus. Gross segment. $318 million, up 11% sequentially and 6% year-over-year. Driven by exceptional performance of Vector AI, accelerating the Unity ad network. Create segment. $152 million, up 3% year-over-year. Excluding non-strategic revenue, it grew 13% year-over-year, supported by subscription strength, ARPU improvements from price increases, and strong momentum in China. Profitability, non-GAAP adjusted EBITDA, $109 million, representing 23% margins. This is a 200 basis point improvement year-over-year and sequentially, due to reductions in sales and marketing and G&A expenses as a percentage of revenue. Cash flow, free cash flow, a record $151 million, an improvement of $36 million year-over-year. This marks the second consecutive quarter of record free cash flow, a testament to restructuring efforts. Unity expects to convert a high percentage of adjusted EBITDA to free cash flow. Balance sheet, cash, $1.9 billion convertible debt, $2.2 billion financial philosophy. Jared emphasized that Unity is not run to a quarterly earnings clock. New product rollouts and enhancements are organic to the business. The company's long-term prognosis is viewed as really good. He also highlighted Unity's potential for dramatically higher margins due to high contribution margins and operating leverage from faster revenue growth. Cost structure and future margins. Unity has seen operating leverage as sales and marketing and G&A costs have decreased as a percentage of revenue. With gross margins around 82 to 83% and even higher contribution margins, Unity anticipates significant operating leverage from future revenue growth. The company is focused on cost discipline, leveraging AI and automation, and sees potential to both expand margins and invest in product initiatives, especially looking towards 2026. Capital allocation. Unity has generated nearly $0.5 billion in cash over the past year through operations and strong free cash flow conversion. While there are future refinancing obligations, no additional capital is needed. The company will evaluate acquisition opportunities with a high bar, prioritizing robust product and organic growth opportunities. Key statements from management. Matt Bromberg, CEO. Today, with the third quarter now behind us, it's clear that's precisely what was happening, an inflection point for sustainable long-term growth. In the new Unity, we're not choosing between execution and vision. We need to achieve both. Soon Unity software will empower any creator, not just any software developer, to build interactive experiences. Advancements in artificial intelligence will enable us to enhance and extend this mission. The real metric for the skilled game developers of the future won't be time to market, it will be time to innovation. Jared Yaws, CFO. The inflection in Unity's business we spoke about last quarter is rapidly translating into faster revenue growth and improved profitability. We are proud of the turnaround in our Grow business, sparked by the launch of Unity Vector, and we're confident that this business will continue to grow strongly into the future. Adjusted EBITDA for the quarter was $109 million, representing 23% margins, an improvement of 200 basis points year-over-year and versus the second quarter. Unity had record free cash flow in the third quarter of $151 million, representing an improvement of $36 million year-over-year. We can expect to benefit from the revenue growth that we expect in the form of significant operating leverage. Significant risk factors discussed/implied. Competition. While not explicitly detailed as a risk, the competitive landscape of the gaming and advertising industries is always present. Execution of AI strategy. The success of Vector AI and its integration into future products is crucial. Market dynamics, changes in mobile gaming advertising spending, regulatory changes impacting app stores and commerce, and broader economic conditions. Data privacy and security, essential for the success of the developer data framework and runtime data initiatives. Overall outlook, Unity is signaling a strong recovery and a clear path to future growth, driven by advancements in AI, particularly Unity Vector, and strategic initiatives like Unity IAP and the Developer Data Framework. The company is seeing positive financial results and expects continued momentum, with a focus on both innovation and disciplined execution.